Hello, folks. I'm haven't been doing no gardening because it's winter time, but anyway, I'm gonna show you my studio here, greenhouse studio slash studio. Anyway, I'm gonna start these little pods things here pretty soon. And what I want to show you, there's my mosquito plant, and this here my geranium. Didn't have no flowers on it when I first moved it in autumn. Well, look at it now, pretty flowers on it through the winter. And these trees, I'm not sure what they are. And this lemongrass went haywire. Oh, need to trim that down. See, going all the way up in here. Anyway, this lettuce here, I planted. Well, we had some before we ate it all. I planted this December 26th. Today is February 26th. This one I planted January 26th. Waiting for that to grow up. I tried to transplant these in another pot, but I'd done a test trial and it died on me, so I just kept them all together. And I'm gonna start another one today, and I'm gonna show you at the end of the video what I recorded earlier. I think it was December 30th or something like that. And thanks. Keep watching. This lettuce here I'll be cutting off today because we ran out of lettuce. This one here was the same way. It had a bunch of lettuce on it, and we cut it, soaked it in water, put it in a plastic bag, put it in the fridge, and we ate it on BLTs and hamburgers. So we're running low. We're gonna get that. And here, as you can see it, I planted some new seeds, and they're sprouting up. We're running grow lights in here. These are our grow lights. This is my studio slash greenhouse. Anyway, here's my pepper. I already ate one peppers off of it. I got to pick these two. They're turning red. Like I said, they won't get new buds, but they are getting some new leaves on them. So I might be able to replant this outside during the spring. Keep it going. Something I'm experimenting with. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe. What we do, we after we pick the lettuce, we soak them in a bowl of water for a while, and then we put them in a Ziploc bag, blow air in it, and it'll last for a while. Until next time, later.